Explain what is underbalance drilling. The underbalance drilling is an alternative way of drilling oil and gas wells, where the pressure in the wellbore is kept lower than the fluid pressure. The advantage of underbalance drilling is that it reduces formation damage in reservoirs. Explain how spontaneous locks are useful. Spontaneous locks determine the permeability of rocks in well by denoting the electrical currents produced between the drilling fluids and formation water held in pore spaces. Explain the term induction locks. Induction locks are used in wells that do not use water or mud, but oil-based drilling fluids or air. They are non-conductive and therefore cannot use electric locks. Instead, they use magnetism and electricity to measure resistivity. What is Kelly bushing? Kelly bushing is a device fitted to a rotary table through which the Kelly passes and the mean by which the torque of the rotary table is transmitted to the Kelly and to the drill stem. Explain what is die insert. Die insert is a hard steel, a serrated piece, which is removable and fits into the jaws of the tongs, and firmly holds the body of the drill pipe, drill collars, while the tongs are making up or breaking out of the pipes. Explain what is annular blowout preventer. Annular blowout preventer is usually a large valve installed above the ram preventers. It forms a protective seal in the annular space between the pipes and wellbore. It seals the annulus between the Kelly, drill collar, and drill pipe. Explain what is blowout preventer. Blowout preventer is installed on the top of the well and is used to control the back pressure produced by oil during the drilling process. Explain what is wellbore storage. When the oil well is shut in, there is continuous flow of fluid into the wellbore. This flow of fluid is referred as wellbore storage. Explain what is dogleg. Dogleg term is used to refer for an abrupt change in direction in the wellbore, resulting in the formation of key seat. Explain the term descender and desilter. Descender is a centrifugal device used for removing sand from drilling the fluid to avoid the abrasion of the pumps, while desilter is a centrifugal device used to remove the slit or very fine particles. Explain what is perforation in oil well drilling. A perforation is a hole made in a casing or liner of an oil well to connect it to the reservoir. What is proppant and what is the use of it? A proppant is a solid material which is treated with sand or ceramic materials. It is used to keep induced hydraulic fracture open. Explain what is hydraulic fracturing. Hydraulic fracturing is a technique in which tons of gallons of water, chemicals, and sand at high pressure is pumped down across the drill well. This pressurized mixture makes rock layer to crack and make small space or fissure through which natural gas emits out. What is the drill stem testing? Lowering a device into the drill hole to measure the pressures, it will reveal whether reservoir's rock has been reached. What is the importance of drilling muds? The drilling muds are used for lubrication purpose and for cooling of the drill bit and pipe. It removes the cuttings that come from the bottom of the oil well, prevent blowouts by acting as an sealant. Which mineral is frequently used to increase the weight or density of drilling mud? Barium sulfate or BaSO4 mineral is frequently used to increase the density of drilling mud. Explain the term bullheading. Bullheading is a process where gas is forced back into a formation by pumping into the annuluses from the surface. Explain what is pseudopressure. Pseudopressure is a mathematical pressure function which accounts for a variable compressibility and viscosity of gas with respect to pressure. Mention what are the different types of well logging. Resistivity logs, spontaneous potential logs, gamma ray logs, gamma ray absorption logs, neutron logs, sonic porosity logs. List out the methods used for well test analysis. Various methods for well test analysis are pressure drawdown test, pressure buildup test, type curve analysis, pulse test and interference, drill stem and wire line formation, gas well tests. Mention what is the main advantage of using the pressure drawdown tests. The drawdown test will help you to estimate the reservoir volume. Explain what is well logging. A well log is used for graphical representation of any drilling condition or subsurface features that come across while drilling, which is used for evaluation of the well. Explain the methods of gas injection down the drill pipe. What are the advantages of this technique? In this technique, air or nitrogen is injected to the drilling fluid that is injected directly down the drill pipe. The advantage of this technique is improved penetration and decreased amount of gas. Well bore is not required to specifically designed for underbalance drilling. Less amount of gas required.